Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple developer unknown error. So guys, when you try to use Apple developer app or website on your iPhone or iPad, and you will see an unknown error occurred. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you that how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to make sure that you are using latest version of iOS 18. And now guys, you need to scroll it down. From here you need to check your internet VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, then you need to disconnect that VPN. After this go back, scroll it down, and click on transfer or reset iPhone. And guys, you need to reset your network settings from here, and after this go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you have to scroll it down, and guys, now you have to click on screen time, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here, and after this go back. So guys, if you are using Apple developer app, then you need to click on general and click on iPhone storage, scroll it down. You need to find that app here, Apple developer app. So I am going to find here Apple developer app. So guys, as you will see, you need to click on it and you need to upload your app, and after doing upload you need to reinstall it again. And guys, if you are using Apple developer website on your Safari browser, then you need to scroll it down and click on apps here, and you need to find here Safari, as you will see. And guys, now you have to remove or delete history, clear history and website data. Click on all and clear all the history. And guys, after this, now you need to use your Apple developer again and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.